Omanfo mfre yemra 1978 men's boutique and traditional wear ena efre nananom ahemfo nananom ahema nananom achiame obi a wukodi hene anase akonfompo se woba 1978 men's boutique a eye kente nananom entoma yetutu eguso edeko eyie de eya ajefro kente papa bi ediko dwabo ase ope ahenema ope frugu ope niche ope chachao anase ope abahema duku ade bobo wonsa entoma wo be fra kente papa bi a obetu eguso de a eye 1978 men's boutique a location no ewo edum ye ben Access Bank bomoden na bra na eni yemedidwa na wonu hu da betumi afre wo 0265188889 1978 men's boutique was say na nanuma fade de a aha ena obenya na moroso nyina kwa badem be Nyansapo kasamfonyi so Nyansapo na wagye se yesane no badwemba ekwa so yedi kan akire mumu ya waye ni ya waye kuru nani ammonwu ni ekoso nyina enu adane kuru wani aniwa asante mantemo ekwan ya kin Prempeh the first wako Celerion na enam so ema wotwa asuopo ekopie mu ewo super friends Seychelles island ye wadan nani edeba asante mantema no mu ni mfinhia oha ene akire ni a afei ena asante mani oti okuru wioni okrawe ngoma so wo hye safa na ma remfi se guarantee Wesley ne kon a eba so ewo asante mantem ne Ghana mem hanum a finhia bese wo ha ene aduonum yedi ka hye ho fa aye ho symposium ewo Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology ni nyina ehye otumfo say to the okruwie okrawe ne obrawe ngoma so ne mfinhia aduonu enum numu na no ene wode ekai wono ankasa ne de hye ni moja eye Ken Prempeh the first wono so amani hu no hu ye ewo English broni ensa no na wo mo fa ne no mu abra no mo pese wo mo hye asante so na oye na dwen se enya de a obepene eno ade de to manim ekoma ko bese enum Anglo Ashanti war a eba so wo Ghana ye kyeremu bo ni nyina to fa de kyeremu a ekosi se na ye ohye na English broni pese odi asante so na wo hye asante no pese ofa asante no mu a na nananum anu mo tetemire mu ye o madwen se won mo empene eno na nam so ye na dwen se so bebubu asante aprede a ene ye se ya hia tata no nya mfinhia aduonu nsia Ken Prempeh ofa ne no mu na afi oban ma na ya asanto a ene akofo ani ntini awetwe robi a na omudi animu no ofa wo mu enomum ewo ho no a otabri sa ni pedo mu kopie supo island ye Seychelles so na eno ene mfinhia wo ha no ene yedie ene eye da etoso emienu a eno ada ne yekowura mu otumfo jubilee eye edan fefefa wasie na ye kakaye eyi hu mfonyi ni ade ene sabidi oti okruwie ni okrawe ngoma so ohwemechi a enche obeba betena se na manhene abrempo akunyi eni ntini awetwe ruo nsentwofo adika behia dada enti afei ane ye twen nananom a won mo ba kopim se opim so na nkasa betena se na enne ngita wudie enkomobo afutusem atetesem bia wo bia no ye de aba na ne de bedimu akotene no eno ame wa ni de kire mo se ye regalia hodo a eye sika kokko ebinum aye nkatanimu ebinum aye se apampan ebinum aye akomuade ne ade a abrofo no befa koye no ebia dika badada ebra ne ye se gallant Wesley ne konum finhia wo ha aduonum no opim so tena se ye da bia di a abrofo ndi free ngresi ene America member me ne wo kasa yie dodo na sa ababie mu a enne migidi yie se opim so tena se yie ye bepa wontoma ne de akyem Nyansapo so nko a tibomodna na twen na temu chuku ye bekoso ha bia no ye de ebebremu ye nwura mu na afi no ye nhyase na ye mobo enkomo kumawu eho ena yewe kumawu manhene very massafo twenebo akodua orafi ayempon baasa wo mutu o musi ho na obiri konfo ye na dwen se wodo beyi nkonwa na ma asante adi denkyira so no sabia kroto be ma twenebo akodua okodrufo ono ne ehye ne bakatakari akwata ade na wokura akode yetuo na odi kogina edom nanim ekon nanim na obiri konfo ka kye ne se ma won tutuo mu ombusu no ho edom betwi fa no so ni nyina ne se na opesa asante ya asante ana asante de no wodi free denkyirantem no enne very massafo twreboa kodua kumawu manhene na so ye ena yewe kumawu obi ka kumawu obi kire anano kumawufo esunya asante man so eho ene edika ka ho asama kyem se besinne Asante se hon po ne free a ye bae ti no kwa ye wo kwaye kakraka eda wa se kankanda ne wo yawa isisi mu a eyi nkonwa amamene ne amane ekwan so eduana atwe abrade eduana PC na ochikusi ntrama ono naso ye ena yedri enti entimi nka asante abakwasem enkowie abra ye bi yesuminya eduana PC edina free mu mane yeda sede ne ya chim na bakwasem atetesem afutusem nti ena ne dwumadi ba so de a na wo se yedi twim enti yesuminya manhene enetie yedru ye nananom mamponfo asoye mamponkontonchi ebo hia kumana na ne wono wotedwete akonwa so Silverstu Asante amamre ni amanie mu no sabia kroto ye oti okruwie ni okrawie ni brawie ngoma so ni ho a mamponhene wona hwe akiri enti bra sabia kroto Asantehene bia sabe bekọ akura no ono ene otitire ni a wotere mu kopem sa amamre ni amane ekwan so odi adefo beba se wi sikadwa eso e wa Asantehene mu firi ha na konwa ena eso a edi akiri enti yese ote dwete akonwa so Silverstu it is our race, some American dance the room. I could not prempeh da sebre was say Bonsu, Mampon Contunchi, a boy here commander. What a sono was said Sika, Jete, Sika, a dim washing free, a yes silver. 1 year, mammy, a Jacuma, do and now 1 more a year mampon, and a mampon, hima, or and a teardrop, must say, and a dream, and a mampon for Edwin Yamso Abetachi.
TV.
Ejoso and I Druno. Ejoso a yanche mubia beam. Ejoso a yanche mubia beam. They say intimate cansante. I yanka Ejoso. And I ask Santo Baba Pedro could for Oba won't seem so much. And Waham Oba one or two members so rare. Oba or come member with their normal member. Ebo patabri. And I ask Santo Baba Pebi. And our fan home. I was yes, no, come. Asante Musio Eddie Frank Awuma. Wajina Kunya Ewa Hano. Yana nanomo agunafo brikomfo anoche asabi ekusabi ko to de pane enu abe wode kenten ena ekonsuo ne maame ene ebeka se watiwe brikomfo anoche enya asem ketwa aguna manhema na Appiah ena nana ene na tsankonwa wo mode wo monmonyam ede abeta echi ye ka Asante de ma Asante ya Asante nya na na so gina wuntimi nyi na wonyi aguna ene obrikomfo anoche emfa emfrim abzafo baby ayadre ene na ma menkyere we ye wo ye nana amoafo hima ewa ha ena afei agogo man hima nana ena wono atenase a wone ne panyifo agi akonwa enne wo beka ya na anu wo ni bi mlanto asema anu odie agogo man hima na tigina mu okodrufo na okeka bie na ode ekere no ewa Asante mantama na enya asem ketwa nana ene na tsankonwa ne dom ena omo so atwahia omo do omo nyam eba ye behye enti amoafo ewa abakwasem agom man enso wa abakwasem wo mo ena atwahia ewa ha ya omo no mata nkonwa no omo nyam beta echi abusia egu so ye nenemu na nanom omo do omo nyam abeta echi emu aman hema abrempon ekunyini eni ntini eni atwetwuru onom ena omo do omo nyam abeta echi ewa hasidi huna ayefefefe ewa ha kama ya duru adanse ma papa bi ena wajeje atutum ate adi agumu a wotina konwa papa bi mu yi anana no adanse fo ezo de omo nyam Asante adanse yentimi ntim eka ho ena ma Asante ya Asante eka ho na ma Asante na kukura kodri te na na adanse ma na Appiah ye mo akwaba sa won so de wanmu nyam ede aba beta adwumadi echi ewo honom ewo offense
Secretary General
yana nano office for yana na dwamana akenten abebio yana na afrane wa abebio ono ena wonmo atenase no said the offense amane ni abakwasem tie no afrane wa abebio yi wono di ka etuo wa Asante mantama hanom na oye mensam de kire kwasi kokko ma kwasi kokko mu no sabia kronto emma nye jade nko a yana nanom fensofo wonom ena aba Asante mantama yese ohene bi asase so a eye yana nanom fensofo ni nyina ye nkoden ene ene ede omde bo Asante man yana nanom ekona simpia sare ekona o mabada ye no o made yenti no abusuan kan nyina from so ba tampa ananom kona fo so no matwa hia no sorry o mo benchie ni ma se de o matro ewo ekona asante asorkore ananom eyese a ye fe emantiase no sisi bisita yesese ya munyina munye ni sei ebusuafo tse mi namu na we eye benkum efeku na eno na be ho asantema no enuanom fantefo ona anamusini ye nana Exile ewo habia woka fekutire no ho a wo munyina ena wonom atenase wa hanom sisi a omode omon munyam ebeta adwumadie no echi amana aye fefefe ewo hanom enne enya asem kotro ebeka asantema nyina na etwa ede ehia wa hanom ni nyina eye ye nana Prempeh the first enkodin eniedin ensi ye ne nweta so a odi edigina mu se omma kwan masabie kusabie kronto kwasi kokko emfa asante enim entwetwe fom bia ya ya drei eye feku e friends se benkum ena nanom benkumfo ena wormo atwa ehia wa hei oba asante ayo bonkum ye onifa ye wo chidom ye wa dontene ye wa nkobia ye wa akom wonu nyina ka fekuo makoma akudumienu na wei eye benkum fekuo ananom wo benkum ena wo motwa hia wo nyina de wo monu nyam abeta adwumadi yi echi no ye dru akom fekuo eti fekuo eye akom bomo ena wo mu atwa ehia e wa hanom amana aye fefefe womodo omon munyam
and he has the capacity
ti yana asafo wache agemai bonsu woye akwamu hene ewo asantemantem ha wono ena otiwe sabia kroto ne nana eka wo mu a yede wo mu ko Seychelles ne nadi nkomadada sebra wo ba no mfinhia de okono nson ena office Seychelles edi bedru ha ena nanom akomfo ena atiwe yana na asafo wache agemai bonsu nana ena ehu abusafo na chese same udura hwa high table said ye beka no eho ena yedri yana nanom a wono matrase ye wose yira Alan Kojo che Martin John Kennedy ho o hanom a waba betrase fefefefefe ento no ntemagu so sa enso ene komasi kropo abedwekui yira meyo yira sampan wono nyamfo wono so ena ote nedwam ho no nechi eye Roma sofo panyini mampanyi dada John ejekum kofo wono so ewo ahase bia yira Ghana mampanyi dada wabetenase enra wodene onyam beta akire enede nso wo wahase afei ufri no so a na wokọ Seychelles omo mampanyini wone ne ho kani ena otene nchen ewo a omahye suit no aha na mepese ye gina kakra na yesua de kakra we ye kin Eswatini wono okọ Eswatini mema wono ene wono ehene a wo hono na Eswatini wono moto no wosesene nyangaba. We are faultless, we are mystery, we hide ourselves away, we are powerful ones. Sa enso na wo ba wono anthem no the Bible for kasema was oh God, giver of blessings to the Swazi enono na ora wono kropon eye mbabani ena afei lu mbamba eno eye legislative ena mbabani no eye executive wono city largest city no eye mbabani wono official language ewo eye Swazi anase English sa so na wono ethnic group no o machichemu a emprepem no mo kase ohene a wotewe wono ena ne de no na husuo no eye yellow ena ebonumu no ne din e de Swati the third Queen Mother ho no your friend say Fombi ena afi Prime Minister Edi Rosso Lamini Chief Justice Edi Hiki Mpahalala ena afi o mampanyini fo eti sa wo hwe o memo ba bibi mema no ma amanya ohene ena edi so no ba ko ni Eswatini a enne o mabeka Seychelles Islander o mdo mo nyam abetechi wono ena o mo eproti sesie abusiafo ebre no enya awie do said ye de to monim no afei ena de oti okru wi okrawe ne brawe ngoma so opem so otumfo osei tutu a wotoso emienu wapie efri na himfie na obedmedi na se de da bia ye hunu no opie se ya na okwabrane eso yawa enwura ene niema eguma enye sabi enwura keke eye bambo enema wodo bebre nyanya haban ene niema bia mintimi mfanto dwa ni nyina aka ho ansa na Nsafo-ahene entakrache nananom anananom ahene nananom ene omo kura echem ene fede ekeka ho nyina ansa na opem so na nkasa apie na afi nananom bi edi echi sabepepe ene ehunu a ode ebei we ya wabedri afei ena wo dwane nyina mu sade yehu a oguso a oyi obechia omo maba nananom amanyofo amai adehye abrempon kunni enyina sade ohene eye ne pepepe ansana wako akwatenase na afei dwumadie no ahye ase prekope sade yehu no afei ena wayinitia woba.
We are beginning the royal procession of the colorful entry of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II. The royal procession on the way, commemorating the 100th anniversary of the return of Prempeh I from the Seychelles. And you can see the flag of the Ashanti nation. The flag of the Ashanti kingdom, together with the flag of Seychelles. Nananum, and there enye agosidai, and there enye ukudai, and there a double sunko. Yanisha, Yanana. Prempeh I, and they say that we don't so na Osha flag here, and there Casano, yet the best from Franca. Nana no Macato, Sir Afrafra, and a man and crying a yard there. And they and what I say, Afrafra, a man over the end of song. And on the man can say, Agonado Esano, Afrafra, a year, and the diversity, Eba, and Niti and Casano, Yadi Afrafra. Sansa, Aho away, Tim, our heart. Jai, and that my Shankwan, and they my Shankwan, and I, Edomo, Akasa Edi, a fine. And then my phone times so. Yes, I was so. Shall we all arise as we welcome His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II. This is the royal entry, a royal procession of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II. This is a colorful entry, and the horns being blown here sums up the spirit of our sisters. The drumming sums up the authority of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II. And as I indicated earlier on, Asantehene developed this flag long before the independence.
Baba, Obesha Santiso, Anyi, Asantehene Obroni, Edin Sauso, and Branson. Every year, Nanka Sikajan or Rako. It's a Sikaja and then Asantehene Sinsum. Obroni, I don't say a Sikaja Asantehene Sinsum. Nina, if you say, Gamitunyatia, Nabanyati, Gamitunyatia, Nebruniati.
Across the sacred gathering here at the Manshia Palace. And if you realize, flowing closely are the traditional horn blowers, filling the air with their melodious tunes. Now these horns summons the spirits of their ancestors and proclaim the arrival of His Majesty Otumfo Osei-Tutu II. You saw the royal sword bearers, and they have a very special costume. Each design a story of Ashante's victory and wisdom. The sword that they carry also symbolizes the power and authority entrusted in the king. Behind them, you saw the elders, whose grace and dignity reflect the critical.
Ohene enya ababetena senene ohwe ohena fade na edemufua na botie ne ya bibire ena sika kokko ebubom saa enso ena ne nwuntuma papa bi a sika kokko ena edi ahyemfire ye hu ko jan wom ye hu abamono wom a ni nyina ene na bakon ne nsaso ne komu ni nyina sika kokko ena ohene edi adura no so refiri ne nase ede kopem ne so se de wabetena si ya saa pepepe ena eko ohena betena si die ene na broni beka se dignitaries empanyimfo a wono eba en be hyase na afi wono machia na yehye dwumadi no ase ato aso ano.
Honorable Samuel Pai, also here with pride and humility to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the return of King Prempeh the First. Honorable Alan Kajo Chamatin, leader and the founder for Movement for Change, is here together with Nana Kofi Senya and Honorable Yao Babin Asamoah, former MP for Adenta. Also here, celebrating the 100th anniversary of King Prempeh the First, is the former commissioner, the former Ashanti Regional Minister, Honorable Samson Kweku Buafo.
Abusiafo afei na Asantehene manso abedru edwom a wokọ akọchia ne ba amamere ene amane ekọ aso ansa na wakọtena se.
Seychelles. Very soon, our dignitaries will have the chance to go pay homage to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, and would kindly request
Asafo Boache Ajiman Bonsu Akwamuhine Boache Ajay Wahine the second Utufo Hiane Nanansa Aduba the second Yamfo Hene Barima Ochiabo Amankwa Adunai the second Kuntinase Hene Nana Ajay Koko.
We shall display 19th century ornaments, 19th century regalia from South Africa, presumably from the Golden Kingdom. You know, during the symposium at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, stories were told about how the British looted Asantehene of the gold ornaments, regalias, and other important regalia of Asantehene. Today, we are displaying some of the 19th century objects from South Africa by the current courtesy of Anglo Gold and Dr. Ivor Achibendua.
Kasabi wome unan sentem kabi bi say create, loot and share. Na tete ni pebi a omo ayapam kana nakwa bi so na umudi o ma na ewu. African church kwasiproni eba o ma yimu. Abrafo aman maako be enson no mu hie mo ka say bibi man mo me nkofomfa ya chichim France for mo mfa ha Spain for mo mfa ha Portugal for mo mfa ha England for mo mfa ha no mo. Na nyensi befa bibi memu na bibi memu a mo fa ye no a wo ba ya fa mu ha mu no wo bu se oban ba ko pe na wa ha no mo Asantehene so no nyame adom wo ne nyina bi enti kwan bia wo befa so a wo nsa be kasa ne amande akoro no wo mo befa wa krokro ne na da ne kanana anye yie no na fidi aso wo de enhye ani se sagranti wo na kakari abraso won be free won ma yawra enu achi na Prempeh odikan abraso won esamba ya okasa won mo filisi ani nti de o ma yan say Asantehene titire ni kumase menhia ahimfie eni me wo hon mo no won be fom sesa ne o mo pe enu achi na anso ha o de kai o di ijanso esatum na ni ma o wie ya no kamia say ahita o ewiase afa na nyina ebi akopie abibrima na for South Africa na nanom samanfo no nyankrompo da Roma ensa akebi ebi adikan abadada ayewurade atodwa na ene edai empemprande agudie ni sika ekopie South Africa no enche bia na nanom ede ba no me de abechire yewura ebehye enmunyam say de ade ane hye no amfa hye frito ade nso nimu de ekwa no Asanyaba.
So a big thank you to our delegation from Anglo Gold Ashanti, Mr. Stewart Baite, Ambassador Sango Basso, Mr. Henry Strong, Mr. Eric Esubonting, and Mr. Emmanuel Beidu.
We have the clergy also here, the Archbishop of the Roman Catholic Church, the Archbishop Emeritus of the Anglican Church, the Archbishop of the Roman Catholic Church, Bishop Anoche, here also celebrating the 100th anniversary of the return of Prempeh I. In responses to where he was so much instrumental in coordinating responses to national emergencies. Indeed, we have a colorful and a vibrant delegation from Seychelles and the Ghanaian ambassador to the Republic of Seychelles. Her Excellency also here with us to celebrate the 100th anniversary of King Prempeh the First. Her Excellency Francisca Ashite Odunton is indeed the High Commissioner to Seychelles, Ghana's High Commissioner to Seychelles. Her Excellency Francisca Ashite Odunton. Yes, the name sounds familiar. The face. Very, very familiar. She now lives in Seychelles, beautiful country, and indeed, she's always elegant and always adorable. When we were growing up, we grew up with her news on GBC. Now on the red carpet is the leader and the founder for Movement for Change, Honorable Alan Kojo Chamaten. Together with Nana Kofi Senya, Honorable Yawabi Asamoah, to pay tribute to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. At the Consulate of the Republic of Seychelles is the Honorary Consul, His Excellency Kwame Appiah, here to celebrate with us. And indeed, on the streets of Victoria, you see the legacy of King Prempeh I at the National Library of Seychelles. You will see collections of King Prempeh I. By the generosity of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, I visited the residence of King Prempeh I. A fellowship at the Anglican Church where King Prempeh I was baptized. And indeed, I walked majestically on the streets of Victoria in Seychelles.
Bafo kantankanchi na odi abafo no emisisi yin ohene achiame a kane ebema sisi mampani apaba no ze ukra snap do ahodo ene east me hunu ba ko snap so me hunu pantu yinu na yemiensa one bless you no Sarah Sona Eswatini, Swap for Penny, Oba Ononso, Achame, I didn't blues you, Emano. The demon of Cabano.
John Ramkalawan, President of the Republic of Seychelles, Mrs. Linda Ramkalawan, First Lady of the Republic of Seychelles, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Eswatini, are very beloved, very respected, and much cherished and adored, our own John Adjetikum Kufuor, second President of the Fourth Republic, eminent clergy, Your Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration and incoming Commonwealth Secretary General, Regional Minister, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, Nananom, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor and immense joy that I stand before you on behalf of His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei II, to welcome you to this historic occasion to commemorate 100 years since the return of our King, Nana Prempeh I from exile. This Durbar, a celebration of resilience, heritage, and unity, is graced by the presence of two heads of state of Eswatini and the head of government of Eswatini and the head of government of the Republic of Seychelles. These go to reflect the bonds of solidarity that connect us as a people. We are deeply honored to have you with us today again, Excellency John Ramkalawan, President of Seychelles, and Mrs. Ramkalawan, the First Lady, whose presence serves as a symbol of the deep and lasting connections between our two nations, forged during a time of both hardship and hope. The Seychelles, though far from our own homeland, became a place of where our King found solace. And it is fitting that we welcome you here today as part of this historic occasion. Excellency, your dual role as both a president and an Anglican priest exemplifies the virtue of servant leadership, seeking justice, compassion, and unity. As we reflect on the past, we are inspired to work together for a future that builds on these shared values. To His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Eswatini, we say Siyamboga for joining us on this momentous day. Your attendance reinforces the spirit of African unity and highlights the collective strength we derive from our shared cultural heritage. Otumfuo recalls with great pleasure and joy the red carpet reception he received at your country when he visited a few years ago. He hopes that in due time, your king will come down here and also be regaled with similar hospitality and eminent welcome. Today, as we look back on the struggles endured and the triumphs achieved, let us not only remember that King Prempeh also we celebrate the values of courage, unity, and hope that sustain our people during the darkest of times. King Prempeh's return 100 years ago was not just the return of a king. It was the restoration of our identity, our culture, and indeed, our pride as a people. Let us use this centenary as an opportunity to reflect on the lessons of our history and to recommit ourselves to building a future where peace, unity, and prosperity prevail. Let this occasion inspire us all to uphold the legacy of our ancestors and to continue striving for the progress and well-being of our great community. Once again, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you, especially to our distinguished guests. May this day be filled with reflection, celebration, and a renewed sense of hope for the future. I thank you very much for your attention.
We thank you, the chairman.
Another bout of serious and heart-wrenching negotiations, the British Museum and the Victoria and Albert Museum returned 32 items that have been in their custody since the time of the Sovereignty War, that is in about 1875 or thereabouts. Later on, intelligence reached Otumfuo that Anglo Gold Ashanti had in their custody some of the regalia that had been bought by a Swiss art collector and which had found their way eventually to the vaults of Anglo Gold Ashanti. He therefore commissioned our own Abodimandia to authenticate the items and indeed advise us to the propriety or otherwise of going to have them retrieved. Again, Ivor did not sleep on his oars. He went on a hard and tough negotiation, and then after duly authenticating them, he found them to be worthy of Ashanti extraction and of Ashanti origin, and therefore negotiations ensued. Fortunately, Anglo Gold Ashanti lent a very listening ear, and they agreed to unconditionally return the regalia to Otumfuo for eventual safekeeping, so that it will come into its own abode. So it is indeed fitting that this being the third and last of the activities we planned at the beginning of this year should be crowned with the return of the regalia which had been in the custody of Anglo Gold Ashanti all these years. I would now invite Mr. Adimendia, who was at the forefront of the negotiations, to say a few words before Anglo Gold comes over to do the presentation. Thank you very much.
You asked the Chief of Staff, Mr. Kofi Bedu, to prepare me to travel with a board member of the Anglo Gold Ashanti, Edward Anniv, to South Africa. You had initiated discussions with the leadership of the multinational organization on some 19th century Ashanti objects that it had acquired through purchase. Other visits that followed indicated that some of the collection Anglo Gold had were Ashanti, and indeed of the era of the 1870s and 1900s. They had been taken or acquired from Kumasi, and by 1922, a Swiss art collector of West African art, Joseph Muller, had been part of this collection and had these in his possession. This collection of West African art numbered 350 and of the best goldsmithery in West Africa. The collection became part of the Muller's Barber Museum in Geneva. This whole collection was inherited from the Geneva Museum by Anglo Gold Ashanti in 2000, including the objects from Asante. As it was explained to you, Otumfuo, in your initial discussions with them, that is Anglo Gold, they were all put in Anglo Gold's Gold of African Museum in Cape Town in South Africa, and later transferred to the Jalvat Art Center in Pretoria. It was at the Jalvat Art Center of the University of Pretoria that Edward Anniv and I were, that we also, as your team, led the other stakeholders and held final negotiations to bring the 28 of these objects to Kumasi. The objects got in 3 days ago, and the Anglo Gold leadership got in this morning to present to you what you asked for. Some of these objects define the Asante called tangible heritage. Language staff, swords, palace security locks, rings and necklaces, proverbial gold weights of crocodiles, gold sandals, and others. In other ways, they define chiefship. I would like to express appreciation. We will like to express appreciation to all who help in this. Star Assurance, which became our official insurers of the objects, and had to find counter reinsurers in the United Kingdom, and did so on gratis. The Reserve Bank of South Africa, which issued the export permit for these objects, and the great Anglo Gold team that is here, and those of West Wing Logistics and DHL that work behind the scenes and are not here. A big appreciation goes to the former President of Ghana, John Kufuor, as well as to DHL. I will now call on Mr. Honorable Edward Anniv to introduce the delegation and also to say some few words.
Yo, otu for chairman, Utiemia, Norman Appiah, Anglo Gold Penny for DHA. Yes, on mobile presentation, and maybe your mama. The Tosono Bakune, Mr. Stewart Bailey, on the Chief Sustainability and Corporate Affairs Officer. Dr. Sumieno Ambassador Basso Sango, Senior Vice President, Group Sustainability. Stewart. And Dr. Sumiensa Eric Subontin, Senior Vice President, African Non-Operated JVs. Your Toso 9, Terry Strong, Senior Vice President, Africa. Your Toso Num, Samuel Boachi Pobi, Managing Director, Anglo Gold Ashanti of Boise. Now you're MD or Tapa, you know what Tapa and the number of Boise say. Your Toso Senior Emmanuel Bedu, Senior Manager, Sustainability, Africa. And War Edmond. And also Emboa, a friend, Emmanuel Bedu, a Juma Oyem. And a war a Rababia, or Wally Nanuya, but me name the Crudin to Mr. Never Padin of Ramo, if any case here in Yan, or also Waha. And I may also it would any Miss Beckham one nearby. To watch I mean by a Massimo Caprican. At this point, no, may invite Stewart now, or also the Mikasa.
Your Majesty, Tutu II, His Excellency the President of the Seychelles, Wabel Ramkalawan, His Excellency Prime Minister Dlamini of Eswatini, His Excellency the former President John Kufuor, Nana Num, assembled guests, dignitaries, Memawo Maha. Please accept the greetings today from me, from Anglo Gold Ashanti, from our Board of Directors, from the Board of Directors of Anglo Gold Ashanti Ghana, including the Honourable Enan, who has just spoken so eloquently, and before him, Nana Otto Shribo II. Thank you. There is a South African saying, or at least a saying that we claim in South Africa that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. This undertaking that has brought us here today has been an exercise in togetherness, in cooperation, in collaboration. And it's been a collaboration with the Manchia Palace under the direction of His Majesty. It's been an undertaking with the expert guidance of Mr. Ajim Dua, who has shown us a deeper way to appreciate items that are not hard to appreciate very deeply. These are amazing priceless regalia and artifacts that are beautiful to behold, but are also a tremendous testimony to the expert craftsmanship of the Asantehene and of the people that forged these artifacts hundreds of years ago right here, likely in Kumasi. It was in 2000, as Mr. Ajemdua said, that the former management of Anglo Gold, and this is before the company merged with Ashanti in 2004, decided that Europe was no place for these artifacts and they would like to bring them back to Africa. And so they purchased these and brought them and created a museum in Cape Town, which allowed many, many people to view these artifacts on the African continent, many of them for the first time in modern history. It is a deep honor for me today, a personal honor, to be involved in the project that brings these treasures here to Kumasi, where they were forged all those years ago. These pieces are an enduring reminder of the traditional links to gold mining here in this area of Ghana, and again, that testimony to craftsmanship and artisanship that dates back centuries. We are deeply honored and humbled to be part of this important moment in history, to ensure that these cultural treasures are accessible not only to the Ashanti people, but to Ghanaians in general. Today also marks an important step in an ongoing cultural initiative that will continue to reinforce Anglo Gold Ashanti's long-term commitment to the Asantehene, to the Ashanti Kingdom, and to its people, and for our support of the preservation and celebration of such a rich and storied culture. Medasi.
Lining of Jobin traditional area, leading the delegation from Anglo Gold to present these regalias to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II.
Indeed, as eloquently said by the Ghana's High Commissioner to Seychelles, Her Excellency Francisca, we thank God they are all back home. Such a Russia Palace, Engineer Nana Pogu Ajiman, Evan Rose, KMA, Dr. Kweku Mensa Bonsu, Chairman, Prime Time Limited, Nana Kweku Ayisi, Kotehene of Ruara, and Mr. Kofi Owusu, Registrar, Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs. Together with the Chairman, his leadership, his decency, remarkable organizational skills, today we are here celebrating the 100th anniversary of the return of King Prempeh to the Golden Kingdom. Your Majesty, as I indicated earlier on the 3rd of November 2023, His Majesty King Nzwaki III appointed him as the Prime Minister of Eswatini, formerly Swaziland. The following day, he officially assumed office. And prior to his appointment as Prime Minister, he served as the Chief Executive Officer of the Eswatini National Disaster Management Agency, where he was instrumental in coordinating responses to national emergencies. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Prime Minister of Eswatini, His Excellency Russell Miso Dlamini.
Your Majesty, Nyansapo Tv the Asantehene, Her Majesty Nana Konadu Yadom III, King of the Asante Kingdom, Your Excellency Wabel from Kalawan, President of the Republic of Seychelles, Honorable Shelley Boshayo, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Your Excellencies John Kufu, former President of the Republic of Ghana, Your Excellencies, Ambassadors, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I have the privilege and responsibility to deliver these remarks on behalf of His Majesty King Mswati III, King of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Allow me to begin these remarks with a message of regret from His Majesty at being unable to be with us here due to long-standing annual commitments. His Majesty King Mswati III, the Queen Mother, the government and the people of Eswatini. Recently, a delegation from the Kingdom of Eswatini was in Ghana for a week for the purpose of merging of traditional local administration and modern local government, as well as the establishment of the national houses of chief. The government of Ghana provided technical assistance and warmly welcomed the delegation from the Kingdom of Eswatini. Your Majesty, allow me to recognize the good relationship between the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and His Majesty King Mswati III. The President of Ghana and His Majesty King Mswati III have maintained strong bilateral relations between our two countries, from which we can gain access to important brotherly and cultural relationships that have a considerable potential of uniting us as Africans and for the development of our people. Eswatini wishes to affirm the strong and cherished relations between our two nations today as we celebrate not just the history that binds us, but the bright future we are creating together. Our countries have faced challenges and triumphs, yet through it all, our friendship has stood the test of time. This partnership is rooted in shared values of respect, equality, and commitment to uplift our people. Ghana and Eswatini have much to learn from one another, from our rich cultural heritages to our vibrant traditions. We share a commitment to fostering peace, stability, and prosperity. Our collaboration in various sectors, such as trade, education, health, culture, and sports, has already made significant strides, and there's still so much more to harness. Your Majesty, I'd like to express my appreciation for the warm welcome and hospitality that you have extended to me. Their Royal Highnesses that we are with here today, and my delegation during our stay here in Kumasi. We wish you continued prosperity and success as you lead the people of Asante to greater heights. I thank you.
Her Majesty the Queen Mother, Your Royal Highness Lady Julia Osei Tutu, Your Excellency Mr. Russell Dlamini, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Eswatini, Mrs. Shirley Boshwe, incoming Secretary General of the Commonwealth, former President, Your Excellency, Mr. John Kufuor, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and a pleasure for me to be here today. I bring greetings with me from the people of the Republic of Seychelles to the people of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Ashanti, sorry. Let me express my sincere appreciation to Your Majesty and to the people of the Asante for the warm welcome and gracious hospitality that the First Lady and I, as well as my whole delegation, have received since our arrival in Kumasi. I take note that the year 2024 is an important one for the people of the Asante. Not only is the kingdom commemorating the 100 years anniversary of the return of King Prempeh I from exile in Seychelles, but 2024 is also the 150th anniversary of the Third Anglo-Asante War of 1874. Your Majesty, this year you are also commemorating the Silver Jubilee of your enthronement. On behalf of the people of the Republic of Seychelles and on my own behalf, I would like to congratulate Your Majesty on your Silver Jubilee. Your Majesty, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Seychelles and Ghana formally established diplomatic relations in October 1988. But historically, the bonds of friendship between the two countries can be traced back to the exile of the late King Prempeh I to Seychelles from 1900 to 1924. It was indeed an honor, though sad, for us in the Seychelles to receive your great king, a man of peace, a man of dignity, a man who showed respect to our people and in return received the full respect and love of the Seychellois. So through his presence in the Seychelles, these bonds were established, and today we are very close as two peoples. You from the Atlantic shores and us from the Indian Ocean, and yet we are one. Your Majesty, I am pleased that I could be here. For me, this visit is not only one to partake in the celebrations of the return of King Prempeh I from exile, but it is also giving me the opportunity to better understand the Asante people, your culture, your history. Through this, I will be able to better understand the late King Prempeh I, the man he was, and the sacrifices he made for his people and for his kingdom. For me, therefore, the commemorating is also a time of reflection of the past, but also of the future. Seychelles and Ghana have a long history of cooperation in the cultural field. This is mainly due to the historical connection between the Ashanti people and the people of Seychelles. Yesterday, I was honored to be in the presence of the descendants of the king, and how much they look like our Seychellois nation. We have Seychellois living here in Ghana who were born in Seychelles or whose grandparents were born in Seychelles. And we also have descendants of the Ashanti in the Seychelles. What better way to unite our people? Earlier this week, as part of my official visit, the Memorandum of Understanding in Cultural Cooperation was signed between Seychelles and Ghana. I am confident that through this MOU, the Seychelles National Institute of Culture, Heritage and the Arts will continue to work closely with representatives from the Ashanti Kingdom to further explore other collaborations possible in this field. And here, Your Majesty, I would like us to go further. And this morning I had a long conversation with the Member of Parliament from the very constituency where King Prempeh I lived during his exile. I believe we should look to twin the district and Kumasi. This will further reinforce our cultural ties, and this will also allow citizens from Kumasi to come to the Seychelles, and for those from Seychelles to come here to explore the rich diversity of our culture. I am pleased that the Seychelles National Institute of Culture, Heritage and the Arts was able to work closely with Mr. Kwame Akwa, our honorary consul in Ghana, and from representatives from the Kingdom of Ashanti in organizing an exhibition in Seychelles recently commemorating the 100th year celebration of the return of King Prempeh I from exile. But we are not stopping there. We will also be turning the very chapel in which King Prempeh I received the sacrament of Holy Communion and Confirmation into a museum. This has already been accepted. I've already signed the papers, and again, the presence of King Prempeh I will continue to live on. To further the legacy of King Prempeh I, the project has already started. Therefore, today, Your Majesty, I want to say thank you very much to the warm welcome we have received in your kingdom. And I want to wish you continued prosperity, long life, good health, wisdom, as you continue to lead your people. We stand by your side and I look forward to once again welcoming Your Majesty and the First Lady to the Seychelles. Thank you very much.
Wakil Ramkalawan is on this note that Your Excellency, we establish the Ghanaian Seychelles Citizens Accord. Those who are born in Seychelles and trace their roots to Ghana, they will all belong to the Ghanaian Seychelles Citizens Accord. On display now are the regalias, the ornaments looted several years ago and back home. And these are testimonies.
It is the Ashanti stool. You see, the stool as an utilitarian object is for sitting on and for giving you reports. However, within our cultural context, it connotes the spirit of the nation. The golden stool is that which encapsulates the spirit of the whole of Asantehene. And that is why when you touch the golden stool, you have touched Asantehene. And that is why when the body of Prempeh was taken away and the golden stool still remained there, Asante Kingdom still stays the same. Because the person may die, but the stool doesn't die. So we are trying to immortalize your visit by giving you this success to, it's made up of a special tree which can last 200 years without it going without going bad. And it symbols with the emblem of the king. It's called the Temche. Yes. It's called the Temche. The Temche. It will take a whole lesson to explain it to you, but this is the symbol that the heart that King of Setutu wore when he entered Kumasi to assume the kingship of the golden of the stool. So this is the emblem which is peculiarly reserved for the king. And when the king gives his stool, the embodiment of the Temche is the highest gift that can come out of his regalia, as it shows the bonds of friendship and the level of solidarity that exists between you and your king, and also between your country and the Ashanti Kingdom. Because without you, maybe Ashanti will not be anymore. So we are very grateful to you. This will be a memento of your visit, and we hope that you have a lasting place in your archives.
Thank you very, very much. And rest assured, this will be a treasured gift, and Seychelles is very happy, very proud for the role we played in the history of the action. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
We also want to turn it this way. It shows the artistic excellence. It's presented to His Excellency Weber Kalawan, President of the Republic of Seychelles, by His Majesty Otum Force into the second Asantehene, on the centenary celebration of the return of King Prempeh. Today is a Saturday, so you'll be called Ama, the female born on a Saturday. And you'll be called Ama Asantua because of Yasantua who died in Seychelles. So from today, you're no longer Linda Kalawan, but Ama Asantua. Yes, Asantua.
Does that mean she's divorced now?
No.
With the King as we celebrate the goodness of the Lord. If you have been here today. You have been part of history in the making, and I would say this will go a long way to be in our memories drive as one of the best days of our lives. We want to say a very big thank you to everyone who made it a point to be here, whether you came near or far. Asantehene Edamasi Bebre, Nyankopon Enshram.
Displaying it is the flag of Asantehene and the flag of Seychelles. The flag of Asantehene has been crafted beautifully to connote the phrase, the rich black man in the forest. It has been colorful, it has been historic, it has been memorable. The meaning thereby, commemorating the 100th anniversary of the return of King Prempeh I from Seychelles. In 1900, our proud king, our brave queen, was exiled to Seychelles by the British. He stayed in Seychelles for 24 years. Yesterday, stories were told, presentations were made, sketches were made, leading to events leading to his exile, his legacies in Seychelles, and his return. Wherever you are, the king will be here to say goodbye to us as we close for the day. On behalf of the planning committee, under the chairmanship of Nana Otuosrebo II, the Omayene of Asante Joabin, and the chairman of the Council of States, we would like to say a big thank you for being part of this history.
for Nadia Daye Ecosoya any picture and a fan at Osumia can Prempeh the first from Celerium to Seychelles. Our Dan any Ebepiemu Ewo Asantehene and Finchia ha Echinia Nanamo a chef fan your children, your Caribbean Nebrario Maso. Naya de Akaka ye home near when ye didn't know could draw. Wahini Adan edidema Santemai and Ghana mine. Now so Yami Adma wache nyanente St. Cyprian's Anglican eho eno mbeko na bro ni beka so mako climate no ewo ho no na nyinyina ye Nyansapo kasamfonyi so enne yede de ekoye ni nyina edi bariye abra wo hene asori so ni aye ne kaja bi edabo fro no ye beto aso edi amamo subscribe na share na like so onye ya medi ni abusua pani owusu edio me cameraman ene Elvis wono ena odi animu a otwitwa atwa we nyina edi ma ye mamu nyina mmo ene hwa waje ahene kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kuro nimu a wase wadore sra tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo blani pie frimantam bahin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo ni hu bi duanani wie klaman wo yesofo kra wonye yie bi tontonte ye no nsa na ye fa Nyansapo abone ntakra na mane yakese na ntakra abone die fanyinam kwatere kwa mada woro mountuma ye fe ni din de seyin ni din de Obama akola wa no sun pese otrimu osuma ense brata ma se fanfam ne honhon hia na America sa sabe ka ya